Made it to Dublin. First of all, these colors are cute on the wall. I want to paint my room like this. Secondly, this airport is cute and quiet. Country number 25. Hello. Here's our bus. Seems like we're the only ones on it for right now. So this bus costs $14 per person round trip. So that was a steal. So we'll see you guys at the hotel. Hello, Dublin. We made it to Dublin, finally. So now we're just gonna figure out how we're gonna get to the other side of the canal to get to our hotel. The express bus dropped us off. And we're just continuing our journey. So, interesting fact. It still hasn't been 24 hours since we left the US. But we've already done like a whole day in Europe already, which is so weird. I guess that makes us time travelers. But if you ever want to take advantage of all the time, then like just keep traveling. And then like, I don't know, it's like the days are so much longer. So yeah. So we'll see you guys at the hotel. How cool is this thing? So this is what we use to cross over to the other side of the canal where our hotel is. Here's the canal. Here's this cute bridge with all these lights. And there's the canal again. And gentleman himself.
Oh, it's not even the main entrance.
We don't know where we at, but this is our hotel. I think it's over here to the left. To the stairs? Great. Let's try this again. All right, check-in time. We made it. And here's our cute little room for the night. Nothing too crazy. Pretty straightforward. Thanks for traveling with us. Good night. Oh, I forgot the most important part. My bad, guys. The bathroom. Cute. LED mirror. Yep. I am satisfied. So, good morning, guys. It's skin routine time because breakfast is over in 2 hours and our flight is in about 6 hours. So we're gonna try to see the most of Dublin that we can before we have to leave. So this morning I'm using some Aesop samples that I got from Saks Fifth. I love to try new things when I'm traveling because that's how I kind of get to see how I like it. I went in first with the Gentle Facial Cleansing Milk. That's better. I don't know if it's focusing. So now I'm gonna go in with a Lucent Facial Concentrate. So it has like niacinamide and other serums. So my moisturizer. This is a thicker one. It's actually a Mary Kay brand that I got from a consultant. Laneige is my fave. It's a lip sleeping mask. But this stuff is so much better than that. I don't even wait. So I have to get dressed. I'm just gonna do my brows and put some mascara on. This brush is by Morphe. This is my good old Colossal by Maybeline. I've loved this one since middle school. I am a fan because I have small lashes. So this one like really gives me volume. And it's waterproof. So when I'm laughing and crying all day from life's enjoyments, I don't run. Yeah, so it gives me some volume, which is cute. I myself a little eyeliner. Okay. Here's what we got. I didn't apply my sunscreen, which is very silly on me before my makeup. But I just want to put a little bit of brow gel just to kind of lay it flat. I just want more of a natural look. All right, so this is my final look after my makeup and my skincare and my sunscreen. Let's go get dressed. I'm dressed. I'll show you guys my outfit in a minute, but I'm gonna finish my outfit off with Microperfumes. I like using these because I don't like to travel with my big bottle because I can risk it being taken from TSA or security, especially in Europe because they have different limitations. So I'm gonna wear Lady Million today, and I like these things because it puts it in a small little bottle, so that way you can travel with it. I'm almost out. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this on and then show you guys my outfit. And then I also learned in Paris that you always like put it up and it comes down on you because the alcohol dissipates, whatever. And let's see the drip. Okay, here's my outfit for today. I'm wearing some lucky green Jordan 1s, black Hollister jeans, a cute little green and black sweater that I found at Walmart in a clearance rack, so cute. And yeah, perfectly green for Ireland. Let's go. Stepping out. Okay, we're officially leaving and we're officially on the streets. Breakfast was cool. It wasn't great, but it served its purpose. Anthony's cold. It's windy here, but check out the town. All right, which way? So we just finished visiting the Temple Bar. Now we're gonna go up this cute little strip and see what's going on for the couple of minutes and hours that we have left to explore Dublin. So, but I'm wearing green because I couldn't help myself. Feeling lucky.
Just trying to take a picture. No, I just keep feeling annoyed. Shit kind of funny. Move your ass out the way. I'm trying to take a picture.
The street art is so beautiful. Look at some of these names. O'Sullivan, Doyle, Jones, O'Neill, Lynch, Mercado, Murphy, Moyle. So many of these cute little buses. That man said, stop. Slow down. It's so windy, guys. The one thing about this part of Europe, it's gonna be windy, gloomy. Like, look at the sky. Like, it's so gloomy here. Even it was like this even in where we were just previously, London. It was gloomy there too. So I can see why like Shakespeare and Harry Potter was like in like such sorrow and like dark romance and stuff and witchcraft because it's so gloomy here. Alright, we found the library. Learn a little bit about the library and enter. So let's check out this library. The Book of Kells and Old Library. Purchase tickets. Just figured out what that means. Public transport, Starbucks, H&M. How cute is this area? It kind of reminds me of Seoul a little bit.
Nah, I don't.
Like the crowdedness and the different type of shops. Oh, you want Leo Burdock? Since 1913.
Do a quick query and see if that's true.
Okay, check it out.
Yeah, so your days today are friends.
Okay.
These are the two sizes. I guess you're looking for double eyes, 2 eyes, one of each.
I don't know.
Two
Maybe.
size, and these are the prices for the large one.
Okay.
How quick is it?
It takes around 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 5-10 minutes per eye.
These are people's eyes. This is so cool. And just like that, it's been real, Ireland. Ready? Keep it going. To the right. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go. We have to get to the airport. Got us luggage. Back to Dublin Airport we go. It's been real. We're going to Paris. Bon voyage.